and welcome back to my channel, everyone. A very happy new year to all you guys out there. A very happy 2021. Hope this new year brings immense blessings in your life, a lot of good luck, good opportunities, health, wealth, abundance, everything coming towards you. All the divine blessings are coming towards you. We are going on with our monthly reads. I'm done with 4 signs so far. It's Pisces, Sag, Cancer, and Virgo. Yes. Sorry, I forgot about that. Okay. So if you're interested in any of those signs, you might want to visit my channel and see the other videos. Otherwise, in this one, we're just gonna continue with our January 2021 reads. So let's see which sign comes up next. And we're gonna take out the read for our Leos. Nice, Leos. Let's see what comes up for our Leos for the month of January 2021. Universe, please guide our Leos. What's this energy, Leos? Is it the full moon energy that's going on? I don't think full moon affects Leos way too much. So what kind of energy is affecting you? Okay. Recent past, Tower moment. A lot of things happening all at the same time in your life. You're not even able to understand what's going on. And finally, you have just found a stable position which is not behind, which is not in front. You're just sitting, you're just standing in the middle and looking somewhere else, and you're like, okay, you know what? I cannot help it. I cannot help it. I can simply see what's going on. I can simply see why all these things are happening. But let me tell you why all these things are happening. Because you're moving on to a next chapter in your life. Because you have to take that leap. There's a step I see in front of you that you have to climb now. So it's time to climb that step. And you're not able to take that decision. You are not wanting to take that decision, or maybe there's something that's telling you no, this is right, but you know, sometimes our mind says something else but our heart wants something else. That's what's happening with you. Your mind is telling you something else and your heart is saying, I really want that, but then this is the right thing to do. What am I supposed to do? That's what's happening for you, Leos. A lot of things happen at the same time in the recent past, because the Tower moment and the full moon energy did affect you, because I see it has affected you. Like, usually it affects the water signs, but this full moon was pretty decent for our water, or our for our water signs. But then I think the fire signs were in emotional instability. Okay, let's see what comes up next. Let's see what's going on in the present situation for you, Leos. Comes up in the present situation for the Leos. Mind battles, once again, arguments for no reason, some unreasonable arguments going on, And again, as I said, you're not able to make a decision between these two things that you're supposed to make the decision about, because your heart is saying something else, your mind is saying something else, and you don't know what are you supposed to do. So then all you're doing there is like thinking in this hanged man position, like what am I supposed to do? I can't even figure out the situation. How can I take a decision in this? And then comes the Six of Swords. This situation is more in terms of your counterpart, because with the Six of Swords I do see here that you're going on, there are some arguments, some battles going on with your counterpart here, and maybe your counterpart saying something else and you want something else. That's why there are these clashes coming on, but then eventually you're like, okay, whatever it is, like I don't care about anyone, I just have my child and I'm happy. So you're finding your happiness in your child, you're finding your life, you're finding your joy, you're finding your peace in your child right now. But still the mind battles are there, still the arguments, the frustration, the thing, usually people call it in this way. I've given so many years of my life to this, and what I get in return. This is the energy that I'm catching right now. For some of you, maybe you've given a relationship many years of your life, and still you haven't got that place, still you haven't got that identity that you should have gotten much longer ago. And now you are feeling frustrated. Everything's getting on your nerves. Everything's like, you're trying to stay stronger. You're trying to show you're very strong. You're trying to stay strong inside also. You're trying to make a balance in your mind and heart, but for some reason it's not happening. Your mind is not coming to this peace. Your mind is not coming to a peace that this thing will just go on over and over, and this thing will just be the same, like I cannot change it. And you have to come to peace with this. You have to come to acceptance with this thing, that this is not gonna change. This is just gonna be like that. This person will never change. Let's see what the universe has in the near future for you, Leos. Let's see what the universe has in the near future for the month of January 2021 for our Leos. Universe, your future situation for our Leos, please. Okay, nice. Peace of mind, happiness, contentment. Finally, you find your peace of mind in your work. Finally, you find your peace of mind in the finances, in the wealth. There are improvements coming your way. Could be visiting a religious place really soon. But there's after you come back from there, there's a lot of peace, a lot of contentment, a lot of peace of mind, harmony coming your way. And finally, the situation that you were battling with is gonna end. Because again, I would say you have to come into acceptance with this thing, that this thing is never gonna change. This is like, sometimes you're like, we have tried so hard with this person, and we've tried so hard to make this person change, but some people just don't change, and there's nothing we can do about it. All we can do is either accept the fact and move on with our own life. The same thing, that you find peace of mind, you find this happiness, you find this contentment in terms of your finances, in terms of your career, in terms of your job. So eventually you'll just find contentment there, harmony there. And this situation and this for some of you, there's nothing left in this relationship. If it's too late to make a move, although it's never late to make a move, but if it's too late, you're thinking it's too late to make a move, then all you can do is come into acceptance with this thing. If you think you can make the move and you can take a step forward in your life, you can move on with your career, you can move on with your job, you can just go and find someone else, then that could be another thing for you. But there's definitely an ending to this situation, to this relationship. There's nothing left in this relationship to be you cannot save it, even though you try hard, because you have tried it like multiple, I don't know, multiply it as many times as you can. You have tried so hard, and the best thing you can do is find peace in your job, find peace in your career, find peace in your finances. That is what's gonna give you peace of mind. That's what's gonna give you contentment. That's what's gonna give you happiness in your life. And see, the overall situation is the World card here. You have the whole world in your hands. You have every single thing. You have all the finances, you have all the money, you can travel the whole world, you can do whatever you want. Other than this relationship, there are so many things, so many good things in this world that you can go for. So stop, beating around the bush. Nothing's gonna happen to the bush itself. There are a lot of new opportunities for you with the World card here. Move on with your life and you will see there are so many new opportunities. There's so much that's waiting for you. Travel. You have the World card. The World card is like you have the whole world in your palms. But just because of one person, just because of this one person, you're ruining the whole thing. Come on, who does that? I mean, so look for the new opportunities. This 2021 is bringing so much of happiness in your life, so much of contentment in your life, so many new opportunities, so much of good luck. Money wise, there's a lot of luck that's coming towards you with the World card here. So just find peace in something else. Find peace in the thing that you're meant for. Maybe this relationship is just not meant to be. So just come into acceptance that whatever it is, it is. You can't change it. So that was your read, Leos, but we are gonna take the guidance from the universe with the Gaia deck here. Let's see what the guidance from the universe comes for our Leos for the month of January 2021. Universe, please guide our Leos for January 2021. Yeah, see, I knew there were two cards. Okay. Now, one thing that I have been telling Leos from last 2 months, I think, you need to communicate. You need to speak up. And now we know why you need to speak up. Because all the abundance, all the luck, all the wealth, all the praise, all the happiness that you're gonna get is only after you start speaking, only after you charge your throat chakra, you start speaking in front of the whole world, you start communicating with the world, you start to analyze things at a much deeper level and think about what you can do better in your life. All you have to do is work on your throat chakra right now, and that's gonna give you a lot of praise, a lot of happiness that's coming your way. That is the guidance for you guys, Leos, from the universe. You know what happens when we charge our throat chakra? Definitely we can communicate well with the other person that's in front of us, for sure. But some things that most people don't know about is when you charge your throat chakra, you can communicate with the divine, you can communicate with the universe in a much better way. So if right now you're not able to get the guidance from the universe, if right now you're not able to get you are thinking, I'm not able to communicate with the universe, like how do I communicate with the universe, I don't know how the universe responds and stuff. So if you charge your throat chakra with the guided meditations or with some of the crystals, like we have the crystal named lapis lazuli, that is for actually the throat chakra. If you put it in water and you drink that water, it's gonna show like immense changes in your life. You'll be able to communicate with anybody, anywhere, with full confidence, full enthusiasm, self-trust, self-courage. So everything comes in your life all at the same time, and you'll be able to communicate with the universe even in a much better way, and you'll understand how the universe communicates with you. I'll give you some kind of examples. Sometimes you just overheard someone's maybe you overheard some people talking, so you got the guidance from there. Maybe you were just scrolling your social media and you got some kind of guidance, but then the point is that you have to understand that this is your guidance. In that case, lapis lazuli helps. So once you charge your throat chakra, you're gonna get all the praises, because then people will see who this person actually is. Wow, we never knew that this person ever existed, because you have been beating around the bush. Basically, you've been going back to the same person again and again and again, over and over again, and nothing is happening. So speak up, make your life better, make your life. This 2021 is giving you this opportunity. Till now, I think Leos were just dealing with all these relationship issues, but 2021, especially January 2021, is bringing so much of opportunities. You have the world card in the overall situation. You can change your whole life with this. All you have to do is work on your throat chakra. So that was your read, Leos. Take the guidance, and if it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And a very happy 2021, a very happy new year to you guys. I'll see you all in the next read. Bye bye.